So this is how you can replace the head of Panasonic mouth irrigator. So this is just the basic model. This is the head, and if for some reason you want to replace it, maybe it's broken or something, this is how you can replace it. So pretty much you have this button here at the top, you just press it, and then you just try to remove the head, and it goes like this. By the way, I have to warn you that this might be quite a struggle, because if you left it untouched here for like 6 months or even 1 year, it will be like really stuck because of the water tartar that is getting deposited there, and it might be like really stuck, and you might even break it if you force it too much. To just put it back, just press the button and then just slide it in. Try to align it like this, and that's pretty much it. Uh, when you remove it, as I said, just press the button and just try to rotate it like this in order to take it out more easily. So this is how you can just remove the head for this Panasonic mouth irrigator. Alright, I hope that you found the video useful. If you did, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.